Hey, everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
All right, welcome back, everybody. We are here with our closer look video focusing in on our top pick, number one pick for the Ultra LMS 4000.12 release. This is the April 2026 update, and it is the long-awaited handling of images as thumbnail links and announcement emails, which is a big, long-winded way of saying images are going to show up in our emails now, which is exciting for us. We've kind of advocated. I know there's been a lot of chat and comments in the idea exchange talking about how images are such an important part of engaging people in content, especially when it comes through our emails. So we're excited that this one has been released. As a bit of a recap here, just a bit of information. And you would have probably heard most of this in the Fave 5 and 5 if you've watched it for this month. But now content announcement emails will display a small thumbnail for each image instructors include in an announcement. Each thumbnail links to the announcement in Blackboard, so users return to the complete content instead of opening the image file. And I'm going to just do a little bit of a correction on that one. It actually opens, the thumbnail opens to its own tab, so you can see the image in its entirety. And then finally, a good point there is that this does not change anything about the way you work in building announcements. It's just a back-end handling of the data. We're going to do a quick little demonstration here about how this is going to work. So I'm going to drag this onto my screen here and show you how it works. So I'm in my course, and maybe I'll just go back to my content area so that folks can see how I'm navigating. Go to announcements. I already have a draft here. This is the one that we're going to use, but if you want to click up here at the plus to create a new email or a new announcement, that works too. I'm going to come in here, click the three dots and go to edit. And you can see I've given this announcement a title here, telling everybody in this course that their uniform design is due. I've added an image here of a mock-up of our softball team jersey. So shout out to the Base Invaders. And then some text instructions here. So don't forget to submit your uniform design assignment before Friday. If you're not familiar with adding images, we're just going to go up to the top here, have the cursor selected wherever you want to put that. I'll just go down here, go to image, and then you can upload from your computer and it will come through. So I have an image, I have some text, and I'm going to go ahead and hit post. And now that that announcement has been posted for students. What I glossed over, I'll just go back in to show you, is I had selected this option for send an email to email copy to students, to all recipients. And I would just kind of point out that that's kind of when it's a time-sensitive announcement, like if you have a campus closure or if you're doing a demo online, that would be another example of when you would be able to want to use that. So I've sent that announcement, and if I just jump over to my emails, I'm going to confirm that I have it, and I do. So I'll drag this on here and show you what that looks like. So here we are. This is my email, came through from my course. You can see the title is here as well as in the subject line. Big actually image here of the jersey, and then the text here as well. As a student or the recipient of that announcement, if I click that jersey, you can see it has loaded that jersey image in its entirety in its own tab. But this will only work for the recipient, the eligible recipients. So if I am a student in this class and I click that image, it will open like this because it's pulling it from the course that I'm enrolled in. If I'm a student in this course and I forward this email to Faith, she will be able to see the image in the original email, but won't be able to open the thumbnail because she wouldn't have access to the course. So I think that's probably it. Is there anything I'm forgetting to highlight?
No.
Okay. Then I guess that wraps up this demonstration for this pick here. Let me get rid of that stuff. And yeah, so if I guess that's it. If this video has been helpful, if you like this update, go ahead, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date with all the things that we're showing off.
A reminder that we are hosting drop-in sessions for anyone who'd like to come and visit us on Tuesdays and Fridays at 10:30 to about 11:20 a.m. And you can access the link to join us through your Blackboard calendar.
And that's it for us. That's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.